Every part of you is wanting you to wake up. Every part of existence is here to lead you on the path of your awakening, to who you truly are, to what you came into this life to do. And we're born into a world that seeks to deny our divinity at every turn. It seeks to displace us from our internal guidance. And I had this thought the other day about how I'm out in nature and it's fall and it's amazing. But I had this thought about this world literally shoves down every natural instinct that you have to manifest the divinity that you are into form. Every system is seeking to nullify, deny, and discount your natural urges of creativity and beauty that you come into so innocently in this world, with the knowledge of wholly intact of what you're meant to do. And that innocence comes into this world filled with chaos and war and rape and violence. And that innocence comes into this world to have this human experience on this planet at this time with everything that's going on. And whether you choose to wake up and remember that you are that innocence, wanting to manifest its divine nature in form, or whether you stay in the amnesia of this world, is your journey, is your path. But when you start to choose the path of owning your divinity, owning your divine right of creating that natural intelligence that was your birthright, that you came in with, it is fucking painful. After years of abuse, years of this world telling you you're something that you're not, years of believing lies, just believing lies. And that infiltrates every part of your being. And to uncover that takes, you had this amount of time where you were put into that amnesia of what you came here to do. It's going to take that amount of time or longer, or lifetimes longer, to heal from what you've experienced. In this timeline, this incarnation is extremely difficult right now. We all know. We're all feeling it. We're all feeling it together. And that's kind of the beauty of it too, is that we're all doing this together. No matter where you are, no matter what you're going through. So just know that you're not crazy. You're not crazy. Well, you're probably a little crazy. But you're crazy for having chosen this incarnation. I think about that sometimes. I'm like, oh shit, I really went for it with this one. And I have other friends in support groups that I've been to that are like, yeah, I really chose this, didn't I? So just remember that if you're walking the path, you're doing it right. If you're still here, if you chose to leave though, that's exactly right too. Everything, it's all exactly as it should be. Which is another beautiful part of it. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this beautiful walk in the woods, but I wanted to share that with you. That was my little message of the day. My name is Jacqueline Savageau. If you're new to my channel, I am just testing out the waters here on YouTube. Testing out my voice. It's exciting. But God is definitely calling me to speak. God is like, get on the YouTube. And I'm happy to do it. I'm happy to do it. So keep going and know that if you're here still, there's a purpose for you. There's a purpose for you being here, no matter what your experience is now. There's a purpose for you here.